Oye, Pedro, dime, ¿qué hiciste ayer? Bueno, pues ayer yo hice mis tareas y jugar con mis amigos. ¿Hice mis tareas y jugar? Well, my dear Spanish students, this is a very typical error that students make in Spanish when they use two verbs and tend to follow the rule of a verb conjugated followed by a verb infinitive. Well, it's not always that when there are two verbs in a sentence that this rule applies. The rule of conjugating the first verb and the second verb comes when the first verb is related in some way to the action being done with the second verb. For example, verbs like querer, poder, intentar, decidir. These are verbs which are followed immediately by another verb in the infinitive. But in the example given, yo hice mis tareas y jugar, the verb hice mis tareas or the action hice mis tareas and the verb jugar is being separated by a conjunction y. Hence, the rule of the first verb being conjugated and the second verb not being conjugated does not come into the picture. You have to conjugate both the verbs. So when there is a series of actions that someone gives, you have to conjugate each and every verb. Por ejemplo, en la mañana yo me levanté, desayuné y fui al colegio. So remember, students, when the rule of first verb being conjugated and second verb being infinitive is being used, that is only the case when both the verbs have some relation to each other and they come immediately, not separated by any conjunction.